Today I'm going to be reviewing and giving away 4 different sets of color-changing dice from DNDWOW. I'm going to be unable to upload my regular content for 2 weeks, so they're helping me say thank you for your patience by helping me do a giveaway. And with that, there's going to be 4 winners, so let's talk about them. They've got 4 different colors, they all change colors to something different, so this brown one goes to a pink, this blue one here goes to a pinkish red, this red one goes to yellow, and then the purple goes to pink. Now I know that's kind of a lot of pink, but honestly pink is a pretty good choice because pink really pops compared to some of the other colors, so I think going from one color to pink is a great idea. Now you can see in the reflection of the dice here, I'm using a hairdryer to show the heat change of the color. You can hold it in your hands and it'll change in about 2 or 5 minutes while you're just sitting there playing a game. It really will start to change colors and you won't even know that it's happening. Now let's listen to some dice rolling because apparently dice ASMR is an untapped market. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Anywho, let's look at the blue set. I think the blue set is one of the more popular sets, and it's an older style that goes from blue to this kind of reddish pink. Now I think that's a great contrast color. I think if it were to just go too hot pink like the other ones, it would be a little brazen. But now let's see what those look like on the table and what they sound like, because that's important. Right in my dice goblin tingles. Now, let's look at the third set, which is the red to yellow. Honestly, this one might be my favorite, mostly because the gold really pops both on the red and the yellow, and you know I'm a sucker for gold. So, this set really kind of stands out compared to the other ones, but honestly that's just because it's yellow compared to the pinkish hue of the rest of them. Because of the gold and the yellow, this might be the hardest to read on the table if that's a problem for you. Not a bad set for a Christmas look if you ask me. Now let's look at their final set, their purple set here. Now it kind of shows off as purple, but it really is a deeper purple than my camera likes to let on. It doesn't catch purples very well. But that purple to that hot pink, I have a feeling that this will probably be their most popular set because of that change right there. This set is also probably the easiest to read on the table, so I gotta give it extra points compared to the others. So you can see red to yellow, really great, brown to pink, also really great, blue to reddish pink, cool, purple to pink, I think will be the most popular. So I'm giving away these sets to 4 different winners on the giveaway. Check the description down below. That giveaway will end sometime after the first week of December, so you've got plenty of time to go on and check it out. DNDWOW is also offering 15% off if you use a coupon code down below in the description if you want to buy one of these sets for yourself and you can't wait to see if you're a winner or not. They should also be having some sales for Black Friday, and these sets will go up on Amazon as well if you don't want to buy directly from their site. But if you buy from their site, they do free shipping if you buy a certain amount on an order. So I think it's worth it to buy, honestly, either way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Maybe subscribe if you like all things dice. I like to do giveaways and show you how to make your own dice on the channel, or share with other people who you might want to have a chance to enter the giveaway with. There are going to be 4 winners for this giveaway. The first winner will get their pick of the 4, the second will get their pick of the remaining 3, and so on and so forth. So, thank you again so much for watching. I will be back soon with some more DIY content. I hope that you have a fantastic day.